Hello guys and gals, friends and family, how y'all doing today? Hope you're doing well. Hey, let me tell you about a KINGSOM 55-in-1 precision electric screwdriver set. My goodness. I've opened this thing up and you're not going to believe it. Everything that comes with it. First, it comes with this little magnetic mat. It's pretty cool. It's got all your different measurements on it. It's got angles on it, inches, centimeters, pretty cool. Then you open this thing up and check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. KINGSOM 55-in-1 screwdriver set. I haven't opened this up yet. There's your screwdriver, little electric screwdriver. Is it charged? Let's see. Maybe that's the power button. Don't think it's charged, but that's okay. It comes, yes it is charged. It's working there now. I just had to hold the button down a little longer. Got a flashlight, very cool. KINGSOM. Comes with some little tweezers, come in handy. Comes with a little plastic pry bar. You can use that for a lot of different things. Assume this is probably charging cable. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna rip it open. Can't get in it, so let's just rip it. Oh, yep, I see a cable. Charging cable. USB, USB-C. Check it out. It's cool. And all these different attachments. I see Torx. I see Allen wrenches. Of course, flathead screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, safety, security Torx, and everything in between. So this thing's got everything in it. I think you'd really like it. I know I like it. Much electronics, that I work on and things that I need to work on. Yesterday I had to screw loose in my glasses and I needed a little fine screwdriver. And let me see if I see one in here. It's a straight blade, and yes, very, very, very extremely fine right there. That will work on my glasses. I'm happy with it. Like I say, flashlight. I'll turn that off. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It's very quiet. I like it a lot. There's a charge plug right there. So if y'all looking for a good precision screwdriver, check out the link. They're on sale. I guarantee you'll like this little thing. Hey, y'all stay blessed. Hey, and one more thing. So I like to use a screwdriver, as precision when I replace the little belt clip, the battery clip in the UV5R. Sometimes they break when you drop them. So, man, this thing makes it fast and easy. Fast and easy. So get the Phillips screwdriver. Look at that thing, zipping that right out. If you do it with a regular screwdriver, it takes a little while. That just takes it right off. And then you gotta get your little Torx. And you put it in there. Just take that off. There it is. And that one right there, you gotta take it off. There it is. And then the little cover comes off the back. And this is the piece that breaks if you drop the UV5R on concrete. You can buy them and replace them. So easy to replace. Got to line it back up properly. Looks like that's pretty good. And this thing's magnetized too, so that's kind of handy. Yeah, that's kind of handy to be magnetized. All the little screwdriver tips. So that helps you out a whole lot. When you putting things back in, you need the screw to kind of hold. And then change over to the Phillips. Where'd my other screw go? Oh, the screw's in the clip. There you go. There you have it. It's that quick with a 55-in-1 screwdriver kit from KINGSOM. Hey, they're on sale. Check the link out. Get you one today.